Introducing the 2025 Seat. Leon 1.5 TSI, 115B horsepower, 5-door SE Plus in stunning blue, packed with features like ambient lighting, cruise control and collision avoidance braking. This car is the ultimate in comfort and safety. With low mileage and a 1.5 litre engine, it's perfect for any journey. Plus, with added bonuses like roof rails and multiple airbags, you can drive with peace of mind. Rest assured, this vehicle has had a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more details today.